everyone, welcome on board. This is Anisha here at NMIMS Mumbai, and today I'm in conversation with Muskan, who is a fresher and NMAT 221 sitting inside NMIMS Mumbai. So, all of you guys who keep being scared, can I make it? Can I not make it as a fresher? And all those possible doubts that you have, get rid of this, and you have live example Muskan. So, welcome on board.
Thank you, Anisha.
Lovely. So, Muskan, tell me a little bit about your life, your journey. Who is Muskan? Where are you from? And what made you reach here at 221 itself?
Okay, so firstly, I belong from Jaipur, Rajasthan, and all my life I have been there. This is the first time I'm stepping out of my home, and I'm in Mumbai, which is the city of dreams. Firstly, I didn't thought I will crack ANMAT really, but now that I am here, I'm currently pursuing MBA in digital transformation, and when I get cracked my ANMAT exam, it was the best moment literally because when I gave the exam, I didn't thought I would make it.
Lovely. That's great. So, what kept you going? Like, when you are a fresher, you're giving exams for the first time, right?
Yes.
You always, it's not going to always be ki, ho jayega, I'm done. So, what do you think? Did you have those low moments, or what kept you going? Ki, nahi, I will make sure I crack some of the other exams.
Okay. So, firstly, my blood group is not B positive, but it's my mother who is always there for me, and she keeps walking through me, like motivating me and guiding me to stay optimist and like God is there to help you. So that
Lovely.
thought always kept going me. And second was Sumit sir, because I still my mother's opinion was always like keep trying and leave rest everything to
Hmm.
God, but still whenever I was giving mocks, I wasn't able to score well really in whether it's nmat omat or cat, but when it's 11:30 answers YouTube live is there, I usually just scroll to it and kept waiting until he's live, and he always gives this daily motivation to just keep going and you will
Yeah.
make it, and next day I fresh a start like that.
Lovely. That's good to hear. So it's very nice and encouraging that we should continue doing that.
Yes, I should use. You should do that more often. Not 11:30. It should be like 24 hours live.
Lovely. Great. And what do you think after that? Like, you're done with 221 and you are sitting in that nervousness. Will I clear the cutoffs or not? And how did you think was the next phase of the journey, and how's it been coming here?
So when I gave the exam in matter, so I then applied for the SNAP. I had SNAP exams, so I applied for all the three
Okay.
exams to just to be sure and keep a backup
Absolutely.
option. And then there was that as well. Then after this, I couldn't crack that really. I was hoping I wanted to go into HR field, but
Hmm.
I couldn't really make it to that. Then SNAP results came. I got a call from SIBM Bangalore and Hyderabad, Nagpur as well, and
Okay.
Pune for Innovation and Entrepreneurship Program. But then competency test happened, and it was like a blessing in disguise and second option for me. So I just that was the time when I purchased the Cat King GDPI course, and I tried to do that and really prepared through that, and then I'm here and it's
Lovely.
been.
So, if for the students who are listening, what would you suggest that, these are things you must do to make sure you crack your competency assessment, SOPs, and interviews? Because, everyone is very confused. You have limited time. Like, once you get your cutoffs to your interviews, you've got 10 to 15 days. So,
True.
what would you suggest that they could start earlier itself, and that would help them also to make it to NMIMS?
Okay, so firstly, just stay positive. That's what I would like to say, because it's very random. You will have your fair share of highs and lows of moments, but you need to stay consistent with your preparation. You can't lose on to that. And because that's what the best thing you can do. You could either procrastinate that I will leave it to
Yeah.
the next day, or you could be stressed about your mock, or you could prepare really, which could make a difference. Trust me, I did very less preparation for the ANMAT to be honest, but now I am here, and it's truly been an amazing experience and with a lot of learnings. I'm a part of council as well. Didn't hope, and like being here at NMIMS has shaped me in a great way.
Do you get to sleep every day nicely, 6-8 hours?
No, trust me. Not to be honest.
So it is true that when you come to an MMS, you do not sleep, and it's not always because of studies. You also party a
Like
lot,
sleeping
right?
at 4 a.m. and then we have a class at 8:30. We have pre-reads, endless. So yeah, but it's a mixture of both as well. So I do love singing. So the first thing I joined was the Troublemaker Music Club of
Okay,
NMIMS.
nice.
And to shape my leadership skills, I joined the council. And it's a balance of both with academics, which I'm able to manage. In that way, I'm like shaping into my professional journey as well, of which is the future managers as we are.
Lovely.
And parties, so yeah, we do have parties, but I don't enjoy that, to be honest. So all those who are looking forward, we do have parties, but it's just me.
Lovely. You will soon get a hang of it. It's just the beginning.
Yes,
So, how do you
yes.
like Mumbai as compared to hometown?
Mumbai, yeah, I am like a beach person, so for me, it's the best place. I can
Lovely.
visit beach late at night, 10 a.m., 11, anytime I can go. So it's the best part. And I'm a big devotee of Ganeshji as well. So yeah, we have Siddhi Vinayak,
Oh, nice.
shopping, and you can always spot celebrities at every place.
Lovely. That's really nice. So, you're enjoying Mumbai.
Yes.
For all the students who are listening to us, who are freshers right out of college and still thinking whether they can make it or not, what kind of advice would you want to give them? Like, is it possible or is it very tough for freshers?
Yeah, so I did had that anxiety in me, and I would say that I am a fresher, and they usually prefer work ex candidates, but it's not they will prefer people with experience. It's what is you how well you are able to put yourself that you belong as a part of this institute. So that would make a difference. Just stay confident. Just know that how badly you want to be a part of this institute, and how it will help you in your future career, and you will make it.
Lovely. So you also had your seniors at Cat King family coming and training and mentoring you guys. If we ask you to come and mentor these folks, once they get their calls, would you like to do that?
Yes, I'm looking forward to knowing you all, and all the best for your exams, definitely. And I will welcome you all, to all those watching. All the best.
Lovely. That's really sweet. So thank you so much, Muskan, for coming on board. It was a
Thank you.
pleasure speaking to you, and we look forward to seeing you do well at NMIMS.
Thank you so much.
And for all of you guys who are listening, any doubts, any questions, freshers, non-engineers, all the possible myths and hiccups that you have that you will not be able to make it to the top B schools, drop in the comment section and we will take that up for you. All the best and take care.